You got a lot of stuff?
It's, I think it'll all fit right in here. That's everything not priced right there.
Okay. This is pricey.
Right.
Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app. Morning, guys. So we got another cold morning. It's kind of snowy a little bit actually. But found another sale on Yard Sale Treasure Map. I think this one's more of an estate sale. There's a few cars here, but no one's lined up yet. So I'm gonna go up there and see if I can be the first one in line. I don't think anyone knows what to do. So they're gonna open in about 10 minutes. My glasses are already fogging, but we're gonna go up there. I don't know, try to find something. Good.
You can buy it all.
All three of the house upstairs, downstairs, you got a garage.
All right, sir.
Good.
I just straighten up this area so you don't. So you don't have to.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
No, sorry.
No, you're good. Go ahead. Oh, I didn't see you in line, sir. How are you? You got a beard.
Yes, it's the COVID.
I guess, man. That thing is savage. I wish I could grow one like that. Yeah, that's too bad.
Everybody comes out to where the junk is.
That's
I'm looking a little over my head.
So I get up on the jump.
Uh-huh.
Froggy flips, right?
Yeah, yeah. What's up, man?
It's funny. My wife saw you the other day, Jennifer.
Oh, really?
Had my little daughter with her.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So now it's my turn to head of the
That's pretty
sales, so
awesome.
we take turns.
Are you having any luck?
We did a ride at one up. I don't even know what part of Indy, sort of northern Indy. I can give you the address if you want to hit it up. It's not bad actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I just came here on the way home, so.
Yeah. A little high here, it feels like. Let's see.
Kind of figured though.
Yeah.
All right, good luck, man.
All right, man. Nice to meet you.
You too. Before I head out, do you want
Yeah.
the address too?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
I'll pull up my notepad. Oh, put it in Google. Right there, it looks like.
Yep.
Awesome, man.
Cool.
Appreciate that. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no problem.
Excuse me.
There you go.
Thank you.
Sure.
$50. Man.
How are you, sir?
Hey, good. You doing okay?
Yeah. Hey, did you guys test those two ones that were sitting there? They were unmarked, and I couldn't see anything about them. Okay. No, I mean. There goes everything out there.
Yeah.
stuff here, you know.
There is quite a bit.
Sorry, we started talking. You know how that happens. You go upstairs. I'll go back here and look again.
Yeah, sure, it's right over there. Yeah. Uh-huh. No, it doesn't. It's the metal underneath the plastic. You ready?
Yeah. Some of the stuff wasn't priced, so you want the stuff that was priced first? And then, okay. Let's see here.
We'll get markers, Steve, and then price. These are price.
Yep.
So what do you need the price on? No, he's right there. I'll take it to him.
Here, let me get all that stuff out for you.
Maybe Mark ought to come and clean it.
You got a lot of stuff?
It's, I think it'll all fit right in here. That's everything not priced right there.
Okay. This is price.
Right.
That.
Thank you.
Did they take the rest of your stuff?
Yeah, he took the pile of it out.
Oh, okay.
I'll take a check.
Is other stuff still being looked at? Yes. What'd you get?
It was like a beer sign and a car and some more patches, some pamphlets.
What kind of patches did they have?
What's that?
What kind of patches did they have?
Boy Scout, I think.
Okay. I got the 2 rugs and a little wrench here.
Okay, that was, what, 15 for those?
No, it's 25 for one, 10 for the other.
35.
3 for this.
15, 10.
Okay.
35.
38.
38.
Okay, where's the demo?
Down at the basement. In the back
This is
room.
15,
Okay.
and this is 20.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm
You
writing
need a
these down. You
backpack.
don't have to take them if you don't want to.
Okay.
This is 20.
All right. Okay.
The maps and the stuff in here is $10,
Okay.
and then this thing is $20.
What is 20?
This thing.
This thing. Okay. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking all I want is the stuff inside it and the painting.
Okay.
Just pass on the
So
rest of
we're
it.
gonna take that, the stuff inside of it, which was 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And the painting was 15.
Yep.
Okay.
So there's
Okay.
Did you have another bag?
Nope, that was it.
Oh, I think we had a
Oh,
blue
yeah.
bag.
I think that's the price. I'm sorry.
all this stuff was in the basement, right? No,
This was
Boy Scout.
upstairs, but everything else was in the basement.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So we got $43.
43.
Please.
If you're around, come back on Saturday, it'd be bargain day.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
cool.
right.
I think I'm done.
All right.
All right, I got 2 things.
There's
A couple
40.
things here.
Okay.
So the guy said 20 on this.
Okay.
Mark.
43. Nope.
Okay.
Shoot, do you have change?
Yeah.
I thought I had another one.
43.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, you have a good day.
Thank you so much. Hope to see you Saturday.
Thanks. That was not very good. There's a couple things I have hope for, but a lot of people leaving stuff behind because those prices were crazy. But we'll go back and see what we got. Maybe we got lucky.
All right, guys, I am not going to sugarcoat it. I hated that estate sale. It was more like a collector sale if collectors were looking for broken and damaged and just horrible condition items, and they wanted to pay crazy prices for it. Now, that being said, I don't get mad about prices. In fact, back when I was a pawnbroker and resellers would constantly get mad at me about prices, I would just basically say, yo dude, it's not my job to make you money. And I believe that's true. But when you're having a sale like this and you're gonna set it up and advertise it, you have to give people some reason to be there, or else you're just wasting everyone's time. And that's kind of what I felt like this was. I mean, no one was really buying anything. And I should have taken a stand and not bought anything myself, but I was there, so I figured it was better just to try to make a few dollars. So, I mean, that's basically what I tried to do. Now, looking ahead, yesterday I went on a really amazing pick. So look forward to that video, because I'll be in a much better mood for that one. But real quick, let me show you what I did pick up for $43 to resell. All right, so like I said, we're all in 43 bucks. Didn't get a whole lot. There's an old camera flash made by Vivitar. It's not new or anything, but I'll probably lot that up with some camera junk here in the future. This is probably one of the better things. It's a Sony TFM 6100W, just a little transistor radio thing. A little dusty, but it's still in the box, so that should bring a few dollars. Hopefully the chunk of our money back, honestly. Picked up a few hats, a Ranger hat, another one of those, and a Sarger's hat. There's a little Pierre Cardin watch, a Masonic Bible. I've done okay with these in the past, so I went ahead and grabbed that. There's a cross pin, looks like a newer one, dirty case. We'll clean it up and maybe sell that for a few bucks. I usually like to pick up all these little vintage maps and pamphlets and stuff from rest areas, especially when they're vintage, you know, from across the country. Those are usually kind of fun to lot up. There's an old ashtray, probably be for the booth. There's a bunch of patches in here. Looks like a bunch of Boy Scout stuff, mainly from like the 70s and the 80s. These will definitely be lotted together. There's quite a few in there, and then some of the belt loop things. I think there's probably like 6 or 8 of those in there. A couple varsity looking patches, 2 8s, 88. This was kind of neat right here. Let me set the camera down real fast. It's like an old oil painting that was never displayed. Still has that protective plastic on the front, and it's signed by K Max. I see a couple of these on eBay. One they're asking like around 94, but I think it's in a frame. I think I saw one maybe on WorthPoint that sold for like 60 bucks or something. So that's okay. Won't be a quick seller, but it is kind of neat. You know, maybe that'll go in the booth eventually too. Probably the part that made it worthwhile in my opinion was this Ohio stuff. Here's a pendant and a red shot glass and some red cups. I don't think that autograph is real. Too bad though, because he's a Hall of Famer. But I have been planning kind of a little secret project, and this stuff pretty much completes my collection. So I'll move it over here with the rest of it. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. Nothing great, but I still think there's a few bucks to be made, honestly. So it is what it is. But as always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.